Asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu. Asxaabay, maanta waxaan rabaa inaan idinla wadaago badhanada taleefankaada hadday kaa qarsamaan ama aad weysid ay kaa lumaan qaabkaad iskaga xalin lahayd. Marka si degnaansho ay la socdo.
Twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chances. Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'll take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. But I go, and then you go out instead.